Hello everyone! I'm going to show you how to use an app called Scribblemaps that essentially allows you to edit and customize your own map in order to save and share it with others, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is to locate your assigned country, which in my case is Cuba, okay? So we're going to go to Cuba and we're going to locate it. And once we have the country located, we're going to use this highlighting tool, which is called a polygon tool, in order to show where it is on the map if we zoom out. Okay. All right, so once we have our country highlighted, we're going to double click to finish this tool. And as you can see, our country is highlighted on the map. Now, the second thing I want you to do is to search for your country's capital, which in my case is Havana. Once it pops up in the search bar, you're going to click it and it'll take you there automatically. You're going to want to add a marker here, but you're going to want to edit it through this pencil function in order to add further information. Okay, so we're going to elaborate just a little bit. Oops. And then in our description, you're going to write one interesting fact that you found from your research. So we're going to say, nickname the city of columns. Okay? You'll hit save, and that way your information can be stored, which makes it easier when you when you present on your country. Okay. The third thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is to add a marker that'll indicate where you can share information on food on a food from your country. Okay? So because you're going to be researching multiple aspects in relation to your food, let's go ahead and start with number 1. Okay? Whoops. Over here. Okay. And this is going to be, well, my food is called ropa vieja. And in our description, we're going to write what it means or something interesting. So I'm writing, also known as dirty clothes, and originated in Spain. Okay? The cool part about these markers is that you can either add links, YouTube links, images, or even a SoundCloud. For our purpose, we're going to add a YouTube link. Okay? That way, when you're presenting, you can click here and it'll automatically take you to a video that you can show your audience. Okay? So let's go ahead and click out. All right. As you can see, I've shown you 3 functions that'll work in your cultural research. Something that is really important to remember is to save our customized map. This can be done by hitting save through the menu function, where you'll then hit save map. The cool part is that you'll get a unique map ID that you can later use to access through this website, okay? Here you'll have to create a password in order to access that, and it'll be public, okay? Which is fine in our case, but it's good to know that in case you're working with something more private, okay? Title description, and here I'll title it Cuba. And you still need a description. We're gonna say capital city and dish. And then you can save it and even get a link to it, okay? Hopefully this has given you a good idea of some of the main functions of Scribblemaps. This is a very flexible app that could be used across many disciplines. I do like it because it's interactive and gives real-world authentic experience and meaning to what the students are researching. Thank you for your time, and I hope this served as a great introduction. Thank you.